Now what I'm also going to do is some ribs. Now these are St. Louis style ribs, and I'm going to take this fat off, and on the back here I'm going to take this membrane off. You just pull it up and you just pull it completely off. I'm going to trim a little bit of this fat off, and then I'm going to season it. Okay, so I've trimmed the ribs, and then I've covered it with pork rub. You can use any type that you want, whatever you like. You can get them at different stores, just pork rub, or you can make your own spices. So I cover with this one, and so I'm gonna let this set, I'm gonna let the ribs set for about an hour, and then I'm gonna put them in the smoker at 275 for 2 hours. I'm gonna take them out, I'm gonna wrap them, and I'm gonna put them back in for another 2 hours. Okay, so it's been in about 2 hours. These are the ribs. They're at it's about 170 degrees internal temp. So on foil here, I put brown sugar, butter, and honey. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these ribs and I'm gonna lie them down like that. I'm gonna put brown sugar, honey, and butter on the back, wrap it up, and put it back in the smoker for about another hour, or until it gets to 200 degrees internal temp. Okay, so these are the ribs. Now, they were in there for a total of almost 4 hours. So there's gonna be a lot of juice on these. And see, that sugar and the honey has caramelized. And so it's gonna be almost like a barbecue sauce, even though we haven't put barbecue sauce on it. So, so what we're going to do here is take these off. Here. And then what we're going to do here is I'm going to just cut these. There you go. Normally what I would do is I would flip it over like this and cut it, because I can see where the bone is. So I can see exactly where the bone is, and it makes it easier to cut. And so there you go. That's 200. I took it off at 205 internal temp. And these you really don't need to put barbecue sauce on. I don't, because some people just like it like this, or you can put barbecue sauce on the side and then let everybody put it on however they like. So there you go.